Hi, good afternoon. I'm Timothy Charles C. Joko, one of the members of Executive Committee of Binibining Odyongan 2025. My role and my position is Pageant Coordinator and the sponsorships.
Okay, so we're gonna give you some questions. So for our first question is, gaano po katindi yung training or masasabi niyo po ba na relevant yung mga trainings as part of the preparation of our binibinis and ano yung importance niya sa pageant?
When regards sa trainings ng mga candidates natin for Binibining Odyongan, way back 2023, it was given to us by Ma'am Trina, Sir JC and Nani Amanda. So, we cope up na mag-hire kami ng mga magagaling na tao to train our girls in pasarela, in Q&A, how to handle questioning, yung mga ganong bagay ba. So talagang yung pag-train namin sa girls is sobrang laki ng impact sa kanila hanggang pagdating ng pageant. Kasi talagang makikita mo sa mga girls kung gaano talaga sila ka-dedicated from the beginning up until the end of the show, until the end of the pageant. So talagang parang makikita mo that night na ay sobrang laking improvement yung mga nagawa ng mga trainings na kinakandak ng organization para sa ating mga contestant. Kasi grabe, sobrang from 0 to 100 talagang na-achieve nila yung mga natuturo kasi na-adapt talaga nila yung mga trainings and mga activities na talagang pinaghahandaan naman namin yun para sa kanila. Kasi in the end, in the pageant world naman, hindi naman yun magpo-focus lang on the pageant, on the outside world after ng pageant. Ang madadala nila yon kung saan man sila pumunta.
I love the answer. So, kumbaga parang it will shape them from
Yes.
being the real binibini, not just in the pageant, but
Yes.
in real
Pati
life.
sa outside world.
Yes. Okay,
Thank you.
Thank you, Kuya Charles.
Hi, I'm Klein po. I've been working in Binibini for the past 3 years. Noon is social media team lang ako hanggang sa naging executive committee na po with sa creatives and communications. Yun.
So, ano yung inspiration or what inspires the theme and how did you come up with the aesthetic or visuals and like overall branding ng pageant ng Binibining Odyongan this 2025?
Kasi po this 2025, nag-start sa idea ni Kuya. Actually, last June pa siya, last year, 2024. And nag-start kasi kami sa The New Binibini and then naging Blooming. And then, punta po tayo sa, after Blooming kasi, the process of becoming Odyongan to first-class municipality. So, naisip po, ni Kuya is yung vibrant. So, pag inisip natin yung vibrancy is makulay talaga, shiny, bright. So, naisip namin palette dun is yung pearlescent type and hence the color palette now. Hindi pa namin na-announce, pero yun.
So, I'm Lance Fudulia and I'm currently the graphic designer of Binibining Odyongan. And I'm also a graphic designer of the Eclipse Studio and I've been taking part of this event for these 3 years.
Okay, so, Lance, pwede mo bang i-explain sa amin ano yung parang meaning ng Rilag, Talulot, Buskar, at Odyong dun sa logo ng Binibining Odyongan this year? Like, saan siya doon and paano mo siya mapapaliwanag sa mga viewers?
So, meron siyang 4 na components yung logo. And then, so, una-unang doon is yung Rilag. Yung Rilag yun ay naka-refer siya doon sa pagiging vibrant ng Odyongan. And then, next is yung bloom. Yun naman is yung heritage, yung blooming of Odyongan. And then, sabi kasi ni Mayor actually, gusto daw niya i-add yung 25 barangays. So, hindi ko na-imagine yung una kung saan ko ilalagay yun. And then, naisip ko na since nakarelate siya sa blooming, why not add petals? And then, dun ko na ilagay yung petals and then which is nagre-represent dun sa 25 barangays ng Odyongan. And the last is, makikita natin dun sa logo na meron siyang arrow sa gitna. So, dun sa logo na flower, meron siyang arrow. Yun yung nagre-represent ng origin ng Odyongan. Kasi diba, nakuha ang word na Odyongan sa Odyong.
Okay, thank you, Lance.
Hello, I am Arman Q. Palaganas, pero mas ilala ko bilang Nanay Amanda. Very mother ang atake ko. I am part of the executive committee of Binibining Odyongan since 2023 up to now.
So, diretso na po tayo sa first question. So, Nay Amanda, as part of the executive committee, ano po yung mga moments that you are most proud of from working in Binibining Ojongan?
Ay, wow. Very straight yung question. Well, actually, sobrang daming moments. Pero ang pinaka best memorable ko, of course, is sobrang solid kasi yung executive committee when it comes to paggawa ng solusyon doon sa mga hindrances na kinakaharap ng Binibining Ojongan. So, I am very thankful na we given the opportunity to handle the Binibining Ojongan under, of course, of our head chairman, si Sir JC, together with Sir Charles, and of course, sa lahat ng mga committee behind the Binibining Ojongan. Sobrang nakaka-proud na parang isang pamilyang nagtatrabaho, hindi iniisip kung ano yung makakabuti para sa kanila, kundi yung para sa lahat na ikabubuti at
For the best interest ng
yes,
Binibining
for the best
Ojongan.
interest for the Binibining Ojongan, of success of Binibining Ojongan.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Nay Amanda. That's so nice.
Hello, Ali. I'm JC. Currently, I am the chairperson and the production director for Binibining Ojongan 2025.
What are the common misconceptions about beauty pageant? So, for me kasi, may mga nadidinig din ako mga misconception na usually, pag a beauty pageant, it's just physical beauty, tapos yung sumasali, parang no brain or no intelligence or skill. So, how does Binibining Ojongan beat that kind of misconception when it comes to beauty pageant?
Thank you for that question, Ali. Actually, yun yung una namin dapat i-defeat na misconception ng tao. Along with the rebranding of the Binibining Ojongan, kailangan we have prepared the ladies before sila sumalang sa competition, sa coronation. Kaya nga ang hashtag namin, equipped and empowered. We made sure that our ladies or the Binibinis going to their journey is an experience that is worthwhile. At saka, all of our candidates come from different walks of life. Ganon ka-inclusive ang Binibining Ojongan. We try na i-beat by really bringing out the best of the girls and the ladies kung ano yung mga pwede nilang ilatag, on what they can offer on the table. Yun yung pinaka-importante sa amin. Really bringing out the best out of them.
And they have this parang iba-iba kasi yung talino nila ng bawat
Yes,
category.
oo. Kasi parang beauty, I think talino is subjective.
Yes.
Oo. I mean, hindi naman lahat kasi may access sa tamang education about social issues, political correctness. So, doon namin yun tinatry ipasok sa kanilang mga isipan.
Thank you, Kuya JC.
Thank you, Ali!
So, hello everybody. I am Bianco and I am the photographer of Yan Studio. So, bale, 2 consecutive years na ako nag-shoot ng headshot ng Binibining Ojongan and also for the creative photo shoots. And this year, I am also the photographer for the photo shoots.
How do you ensure na yung candidates, yung personality nila and character still shines through the entire photography, yung process ng picture?
So, yung approach ko sa photo shoots is that I make sure to have a connection with the girls. So,
How do you do?
I talk to them, I throw jokes. So, I introduce myself para yung ma-break namin yung barrier ng hiya from her to me. Yeah, just to make them comfortable sa shoot. Because it shows kung nervous sila or they are not comfortable, it shows with the photos. So, what I did is, I make sure that they are having fun and enjoying the shoot. Yun.
So, para hindi mahiya.
Yeah, at hindi sila ganun ka-stiff sa mga photos.
So, that would help them be more natural
Yep.
during the show. Thank you, Sir Biang, for this.
Hello everyone, I am Victor Andre Factor. I am the head choreographer and the owner of the V-Factor Dance Squad and also the artistic director of Binibining Ojongan 2025.
Paano po kayo nagka-come up with the choreography, stage movements, and presentations for Binibining Ojongan?
Actually, for 3 years, ngayon lang ulit ako mag-train ng ladies. Before then, nahawakan ko yung Binibining Ojongan from year 2021 to 2022 nung kay Lady Nell. Ako yung nagturo nung sa girls. Then back 2023 or 2024, nag-supply na lang ako ng dancers kasi nandyan si Vance Sanchez Palong to rehearse the girls. But this year, I will be handling with the girls para dun sa kanilang production number. And dun sa tanong mo na pag-choreograph
How
ng
do you come
movements,
up? Yes.
how do you come up? Actually, wala naman. Actually, hindi naman masyadong technical yung sa steps kasi kailangan medyo pageant like lang yung mga
Very
gagawin,
soft.
very
Oo.
soft girl, lang. Pero nung before, in Binibining Odyongan organization talaga, we prioritize yung relevance ng lahat dun sa ating ginagawa, dun sa culture, sa tradition, kasi more on cultural yung atake lagi ng Binibining
May message,
Odyongan.
hindi yung pwedeng maglagay ka lang ng kahit
Oo, may kailangan may relevance bawat galaw yung saan galing yan.
Okay.
Kasi para may meaning, may purpose lahat ng mga ginagawa.
Thank you, Kuya Vic. Thank you for
Thank you
your
po.
time.
Thank you.